Okay, Andrew was nice enough to allow his slides to be uploaded to the Meetn, and you can see that we're ready to present his slides. But furthermore, he wants to show some videos. So I've uploaded 2 of the videos already. This one's on relay starts, and then there's another one on open turns. So to quickly jump to a slide or to jump to a video is really easy to do. Now, he sent me a download area where I can I've downloaded the videos off of a Google Drive, and now I'm going to upload them, and I've got 2 of them already. So to add a widget, here in the widgets area, there's a little plus sign, and we're going to hit that plus, and we're going to upload a media file. And it's going to open up a flip turns video, and it'll just take a moment or so, and it'll upload to the widget area inside the folder that was Andrew's starts folder. And I will upload 8 little videos that Andrew has provided in a Google Drive, and then we'll make this presentation sing. So I'll give you another scope as to how this works after this video is uploaded. It takes a moment after it's uploaded to then process, so I don't really want to be doing this when a presenter is presenting. It would be much better to do it a day or 2 before the presentation, and it will be good. Now this is seemingly a little longer, but I'm also recording this while I'm uploading, so there's multiple things happening to slow down my internet at the same time. The pipeline is full, so to speak. So the upload's complete. That was the flip turn video, and now it's processing, so this green thing is spinning. Now inside my widgets at this point, we've got Andrew with starts and that. And I've been working on my presentation too, so I've got some things in here to show. And we can keep each widget in its own folder. But with Andrew's, we have all of his slides. They were uploaded from a PDF. He has 17 slides, and now there's 3 videos presently inside the widget. But he has 6, so I'm going to upload another media file. This is the finishes one. And then it will upload. And then I believe we'll want to click and drag and put those videos in order among the slides. And then they will be able to cascade as we make the presentation. So if Andrew wanted to visit me here or check it out, he's set up as a host, so he could do this, but I don't mind getting it all prepared for him or for any other speaker. But if you send me your email, then there's a way to allow you to be a host for the meeting. And then when you're a host, you'll have some superpowers that the average webinar visitor doesn't have, including messing with these widgets and being able to upload and such. So you'll be a trusted user when you're a host. And this platform's pretty cool if you ask me. So now there's the finishes video, and And 4 are here, 4 more to go. And I'll just upload another video. The next one is the crossover turns. Then we have one called breakouts, and they're block starts and backstroke starts. So I'm looking forward to another great presentation from Andrew Sheaf. He's an author of a book or two and has many web resources. And there are prior presentations that he's conducted that are already inside our bygone lessons.